Okay, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. This is a test. I like quick guide for Azazel, why not? You fly. You stay in here. Easy. Shoot! Shoot out there. That shouldn't be too hard. Charming brimstone. Yeah, my other guide, it died. I'm kind of pissed off. But oh well. This is a test, and it's also a short guide. A little suicide here in a minute. See how fast he kills? Look, just look at it. I'm not going to play Azazel for this. Just look at it. You must feast your eyes upon it. Hope you can fucking hear this so I don't have to not upload another one where you can't fucking hear me. Maybe I scream! Can you hear me now? Alright, time to die. Oh, let's go suicide boss. Suicide boss. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Die. Kill me. Azazel.